Welcome to the historic Ohio State Reformatory. Inside is the Halloween haunted attraction known as Blood Prison. We are here in December for their Christmas event, and we are going to take you inside to get some scares tonight. We've been coming to Blood Prison for a lot of years now, and this place has only gotten better with time. And to put the icing on the cake for this trip, they're offering a touch pass. Several of us have opted into that, so we're going to crank up the scares just a few notches. And we've also met up with Team Enchanted Seance. We got Sam. We're going to be going through together. So without further ado, let's get in here and see if we can get some scares. Also, just for full clarity, this won't be the full show like you'd see during the normal Halloween season. They have to tear down part of it, especially around the cell blocks, because they do the paranormal investigations throughout the year. So this will be a little bit shorter show than normal, but still pretty punchy. They also do historical tours as well. All right, let's get in there.
I love this. So pretty with the lights. Just following it back.
This isn't scary at all.
Sam's trying to psych himself up. Yeah. Ooh, I wonder if this is there. Oh my. Ooh. Those are awesome. Yeah.
Uh-oh, going in now? Y'all ready?
Yeah, we're ready. Thank you. We're gonna need it. Especially Sam. Sam has the red necklace. That means he gets touched. Hi, I hear you.
Yes.
Oh, there's Sams everywhere.
Wow.
Oh!
Oh,
my goodness. That's an elf.
Are you being nice?
Yes, absolutely. Probably not.
Don't kill Santa!
Don't tell him? Oh, it's cold in here.
Oh my
What the fuck is that? What the hell are you? Whoa! 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 What the hell was that? I still don't know what it is.
Hi.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Oh. Ay, ay, ay.
Where do I go?
Oh no!
Through there?
Under there, yeah. Oh, in there with that.
Oh, okay, I'm going. Sorry.
It's got cold in there. Oh, there's no kidding. Oh goodness, right there. Naughty, haven't you? Yeah. Okay. Oh my goodness, hi there. Oh, I have been naughty, probably, yeah.
Oh, hi.
Look rather
Yeah.
tasty.
Thank you. I'm very handsome. Thank you.
Oh God. Ooh, that's burning in there. Something's on fire. Oh, nice. Okay, who? Santa?
I'm sweating already.
It's so cold in here from all the dead bodies.
That thing is creepy.
Oh my God. Sam, there's our presents. Oh, shit. God. Wow. Whoa, that's a big nutcracker.
Oh, Daddy, look! Grandpa's left you a present!
What is that?
Oh, honey, that is not.
Oh, God.
That's not healthy.
Oh.
Whoa, no. You quit doing that. Oh.
I feel oddly safe back here.
Oh, really? Because we're between the walls?
Yeah.
I think it's oh, goodness. Oh. She made a pie for us.
Daddy!
Oh, hello there.
Oh.
Oh, my. Who's
Oh, my God. That was sweet.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't even notice that.
It's a giant.
Goodness. Oh, wow. That's a creepy little casket. Oh, that's actually that's not real. Shit, it is real. It's real.
Evil teddy bears.
It's a real teddy bear.
Oh, hi. What's in there? Oh.
Presents. Yeah. Oh, whoa. Oh, that's the thing from your promo.
A mummy.
Yeah, a Christmas mummy. It ain't got no spiders, I don't think. I'm pretty sure it doesn't.
Oh.
Oh,
Nutcracker, hi.
that's that nutcracker. He wants to crack our nuts. Okay, you're nuts. Oh my goodness, the bass.
I think this is
This is a giant tree.
Hi.
I don't have any nuts, I swear. Oh, you guys. Oh, it's a turkey. Not on it. Oh my goodness. Oh, whoa. I'm going that way, I think.
I'm not sure.
You're a little frosty. Oh, that base.
Yeah.
Good night.
Oh, we're going down some steps.
Down. Steps.
Down to the basement.
Uh-oh, Sam.
I'm already
This
scared.
is the scary part.
My legs
well, it's
are
already
shaking.
scary, but this is getting creepier.
Oh my God, there's someone in there.
This is actually solitary confinement.
I do not like this at all.
This is solitary. Wow! Shit! I think I just peed myself. At least it's one.
Oh my God.
Oh my God! I'm getting away from the cells now.
Yeah, I'm trying to stay to this side.
You don't know where they're gonna be! This is so creepy! Oh, see? Oh my gosh. That one's wearing somebody's skin. Ooh, take a breather, take a breather. Oh,
Hi.
take a breather. We go down the other side of solitary.
Oh no. I gotta go
shit.
back?
Oh! Yeah, we gotta go back.
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh, down more
okay.
steps?
Okay, down the stairs. Yeah.
My
Don't
God.
die, okay?
My
yeah.
legs are
Uh-huh.
shaking so bad.
Careful!
Oh, there's stuff under the steps.
Careful.
Oh God.
Oh my God.
They're just waiting for us. Oh, it's so cold down here. Is it more?
Yeah.
Oh no. Nora's afraid of the dark. Oh, there ain't nobody there.
Maybe this is solitary.
Oh. Nope, you stay back there.
Sneaking up.
Oh, you make weird noises.
Oh
Ew.
no.
Oh my goodness.
I think I lost my necklace.
Oh, I want to get out of this prison, I think. Step up. Step up, okay. Step up. Ah! That was stepping on it.
Evil sheep.
Sam!
I lost my necklace.
Oh, you lost it?
I guess.
Oh my goodness. You are so excited.
Let's start fastest.
What?
Oh, I like your light.
I lost mine.
He lost his red. He had red. He thinks it's, oh, shit balls. Oh, there's scary things down here. Why are you down there?
Oh, they're sneaking up on us. Oh God.
It's all in my head. Get it out. Get it out. It's all in my head. Get it out. Get it out. You're not real. You're not
cell block, big cell blocks. Oh no.
That thing is creepy.
Ooh, that one's staring at us.
One of these is gonna open, ain't it?
Wow. Wow.
Hi! What are you?
Oh,
You're
yeah.
creepy.
That one needs to stay in there. Where's the music? Stairs. Oh, that one was creepy. Yeah. Oh, I like these little areas. These are awesome. Ooh.
Do I keep going?
We gotta breathe.
Alright.
Careful. Okay, thank you. Step.
Steps?
Uh-oh, what was that?
Yeah, sorry.
Aren't you one to the boss?
What's he got?
What is that? Oh God, what the hell is that thing? Man, right into that scared me.
Every time you go through a door, there's already somebody there. It's awesome. Ew, that one's fresh. Thanks to the bells.
Why am I sweating?
Oh, God.
Pinocchio!
Oh, that's beautiful. I think he has something to do with it. Oh, what is that? Ew! Ew! Ew, it's got spider eyes.
Oh, this one's got... Is this a reindeer?
Oh! Oh! Ah!
How cool is that?
Evil reindeer. Oh my goodness. It's huge. I don't know where it went.
Jeez,
Oh, okay.
Pete.
We didn't do it.
Got some lungs on her. I'm sweating so bad. I don't know how.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
You're not on the menu tonight!
Oh, we're not good. That's good thing. We are visitors. That's all you need to
That's not
do.
very friendly.
Right?
Alright.
Ay, ay, ay.
I'm sweating so bad. I don't trust this present.
I think they're saying they all got out. Oh, God.
Jesus!
Freak. What the heck?
I just said I didn't trust it.
I know, there's just a present in the middle floor. It just jumped. Holy cow, that thing is strong. Whoa, step.
This guy is not nice looking.
Ooh, that's really cool. What? I don't like that blinding me. Ooh, this is really cool.
Hi, sir.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
Oh. Oh, God. I don't know if I trust it. I don't think I do. Yeah. We don't have any presents yet.
Hi, sir. Oh, wow. Which way?
Oh, wait, hey, we didn't do it. I don't think.
I need to know who this interior designer is. Kind of nice.
Oh, somebody's calling.
Hi.
Should we pick it up? I think we should pick up the phone. Oh, okay. Yeah, I agree with that.
I'm low-key kind of glad my necklace fell off.
When did it fall off?
I don't know.
funny.
After a couple scenes, it fell off thankfully, because they were very aggressive.
Yeah.
All right, guys, well, that just about wraps it up here for Blood Prison here at Ohio State Reformatory. Let us know what you thought down in the comments. If this is just their Christmas show, you can imagine how awesome their haunt season show is. Scene detail in there is immaculate. The actors are in your face. And if you get that touch pass, look out. During the summertime, they host a big music festival called Incarceration, kind of a tattoo music festival, and I believe the haunt is open for that show as well. Before you leave, don't forget to check out the awesome gift shop they've got over here at the exit. And I would be remiss not to be talking about this coffee cafe they've got over here on the side. They're calling it the Schofield Cafe. Get you some hot coffee and some drinks before you hit the road on a cool December night. Well, if this is your first time watching, we are The Scare Factor. We're haunted attraction enthusiasts, and we like to help other haunted enthusiasts like you discover more about haunted houses. If you want to see the full review with ratings from the haunt season show, check out our website, thescarefactor.com. If you come out and see Blood Prison this year, make sure you tell them The Scare Factor sent you. We're going to head on off to the next one. Hopefully we'll see you there. Until then, stay scary.